Today I'll be sharing the recipe for this amazing coconut rice. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you for being here. Let's get started. In a hot pot, you're going to add in some oil and you're going to give that a few minutes to heat up. Guys, if you've not subscribed to my channel, this is a good time to hit that subscribe button. And then I will go in with my white onion and I will just stir it around and leave it for about 3 to 5 minutes until it releases that flavor. You could smell the onions aroma. And then I'll go in with my pepper mix. My pepper mix is a mix of bell pepper and the red Scotch bonnet pepper. I'm going to leave this for another 5 to 10 minutes until that pepper mix is properly dry. Stirring in between the time helps it not to burn. And as you can see, it is now dry and all the water is gone. Now I'm going to add my coconut milk. This coconut milk is what will give your rice that amazing coconut flavor and will make it so delicious. I use coconut milk instead of coconut cream because coconut milk makes you can still get fluffy rice with coconut milk. Coconut cream can make it a bit mushy. I added in my mixed stock and my mixed stock is filled with flavor. I'll add some extra seasoning cube, some dried herbs, and then I'll add in just a little sauce. Remember, our meat stock is full of flavor, so you have to taste it before you add in your salt. I'm going to cover this and bring it to a boil before I add in my washed rice. Now it is boiling. It's time to go in with our washed rice. I'm cooking about 3 cups of rice here, so I'm just going to add it into that boiling pot of flavor. Just gently stir it around. You just need enough water to cover your rice, and I usually cook to medium heat. We're going to let it cook after some time and look at what we have here. Fluffy rice, fluffy, delicious coconut rice. This rice was so good. The aroma is so nice. You could get that proper coconut taste and aroma from it. I added some mixed vegetable, just red bell pepper and green bell pepper to it, just to add a bit of color and texture to it, and it also enhances the flavor and aroma of the rice. And this is it. There you have it. This is just an easy recipe. You can use it for dinner or Sunday lunch, and it will give you a break from the usual Nigerian jollof. But you can have the Nigerian rice in another way. And you can serve this with your chicken, you can serve it with your turkey. I served mine with 2 turkey wings, grilled turkey wings. And if you want the recipe to my turkey wings, you can have that video. I'm going to link it up here and you can click and watch the recipe. Guys, I hope you've enjoyed this recipe. Click to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.